Well, there it is, 7 days worth of work. I'll tell you this, not the standard 8-hour day though. This is the start of day 8 and I'm beat. So today I'm going to take it light. I got to tighten down all the bolts on the purlins. Put in cross braces, and I've got cross rods that go across too. So that's probably, yeah, I think I'll put the eve ends on too today. Did most of it myself. My dad helped me lift the rafters up. That's pretty much it. Of course, that was before the tire blew out on the forklift. So now I got to do most of the rest of it with the loader. I don't have quite the height advantage. I actually had a rim blowout. That's gonna be fun trying to find one. Found a new one for $500. Gonna try to get a used one. It's I think it's called a double bevel rim. I don't know how many bumps there are. A lot of them, 12, 14 bumps. Shredded the inner tube inside. I think I'll go replace this tire while I'm at it too, because it's a turf tire, and I'm running into problems. I need 2 Aggies on it. So I guess that's that for the forklift for a little while. It'll take me a week to get a new rim. Then I have to mount it. At least with the inner tube, it won't be that hard to do, I don't think. I don't think I'll have to use fire or anything like that. Actually, I don't think I can with the inner tube anyways. So, well, that's 7 days worth of work. Pretty much by myself. So hopefully I'll get all the cross braces in today. And tomorrow's Sunday, I'll be over here working if I don't finish up what I did, the cross braces and stuff, because next weekend I want to start putting steel on the roof. So, oh, that's it for now.